Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture we are discussing the introduction to the binary number system. So as we all know, the modern computers are electronic digital devices. These modern day computers use electricity to work and it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner. Since the computer uses transistors as the basic components, the binary number system is very much important in the digital electronic field. So before going to the binary number system, let us discuss the other common number systems or counting systems available. So as we all know, a tally mark counting is one of the important or commonly used system in the early stages. In a tally mark counting system, a commodity is counted by putting a mark against a particular commodity. When the second commodity is reached, we will put another mark. On the reach of the third commodity, we will put the third mark. And if another commodity is met, we will put another mark. So this marking system or tally mark counting was one of the earliest method of counting available. The another common counting system is normal counting system or base 10 counting system. This base 10 counting system has a close relation with the Egyptian as well as the Roman counting systems. So there arises a question why they had used 10 as the base. The answer is simple, because we have 10 fingers in our hand. So it had become very common and very familiar for counting a particular commodity. So in the base 10 counting system, the numbers available or the numbers ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If the range of the counting increases greater than 9, then a new digit is implemented or added at the left side of the current counting number. So when we encounter a counting system, we have to know about two terms. They are known as MSB and LSB. The LSB is sometimes referred to as low order bit or rightmost bit due to the convention in positional notation or writing less significant digits further to the right. And the most significant bit MSB is also called high order bit, is the bit position in the binary number having the greatest value. The MSB is sometimes referred to as high order bit or leftmost bit. So let us consider an example in the base 10 positional number system. The number is 16393, that is 16,393. So here the LSB, least significant bit, is 3 and MSB is 1, and 3 is located in the 0th location, 9 is located in the 10th location, 3 is located in the 100th location, 6 is located in the 1000th location, and 1 is located in the 10,000th location. That is, the number 3 is located in 10 raised to 0th location. The number 9 is located in 10 raised to 1th location. The number 3 is located in 10 raised to 2 location. Number 6 is located in 10 raised to 3rd location, and number 1 is located in 10 raised to 4th location. So simply we can tell that the number 16393, that is 16,393, can be obtained by adding 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 3, and the result is 16393. So this is how a number can be obtained or a number is derived in a base 10 number system. When we come to the binary number system, the modern computers do not process the decimal numbers, and all these modern day computers are operating in binary number system because these decimal numbers are very difficult to represent in a computer system, since these computers are using electronic devices like transistors which are used to represent and calculate a particular set of instructions and data. And the important point in binary number system is this number system is using only two digits. Those digits are 0 and 1. The base of the binary number system is 2, and the digital electronic equipments works on the binary number system, and hence we have to learn about how a decimal number is converted into binary number. So as we stated above, the range of binary numbers or two numbers are available. Those numbers are 0 and 1. And this 0 represents the off condition and the 1 represents the on or signal condition. So as we discussed earlier, the modern computers are electronic and digital devices which uses electricity or signals to work and it respond to specific set of instruction in a well-defined manner. Since these computers use transistors as basic components, an easy way to vary instruction through these microtransistors are two-staged signals. They are on and off signals. As we all know, the binary number system uses only two digits 0 and 1. The digit 1 represents the on or voltage high condition and 0 represents off or low voltage condition. Each binary digit is called a bit and a computer memory is represented in terms of how many bits it can store. If we are considering 8 transistors in a row, in a tally counting system and in a decimal counting system, by using these 8 transistors we can only represent 8 possible conditions. But in the case of binary system, we can represent 2 raised to 8 conditions. That is 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256 different values by using these 8 different transistors. For example, if we want to represent an information 10110011, the transistor configuration will be for 1, the first transistor will be in the on condition. For the 0, the transistor will be in the off condition. For another one, the transistor will be on. For the next one, the transistor is on. And for the zeros, the transistor will be in off condition. So by configuring in this manner, we can represent up to 256 different informations by using these 8 different transistors. So this is the advantage of using binary number system in a modern computer technology. So simply we can tell that if we are using 8 transistors, then we can represent 2 raised to 8 different information, that is 256 informations. And if we are using 2 set of these transistors, that is 8 in a row and another 8 in a row, then we can represent 2 raised to 16 bit of information, that is 65,536 bit of informations. So this is the advantage of binary number system. So we had discussed earlier the term bit. A bit is a short form of a binary digit and a single transistor represents a bit of data. So that is, a transistor represents a binary digit or a bit and 8 bits represents a byte. And another common memory units which are greater than bit are 1 byte is equal to 8 bit, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte or MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte GB is equal to 1024 megabytes, 1 terabyte TB is equal to 1024 gigabytes, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes, 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabyte, 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 exabyte, and 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 zettabyte. So these are the commonly used memory units which are greater than the unit bit. So my dear students, in this lecture we had just introduced what is a binary number system and why these binary numbers is used to represent information or data in a computer. So dear students, kindly go through this assignment questions. The questions are: what do you mean by the term bit? Second one, write short notes on binary number system. And the third question is, write notes on types of various units of memory available in a computer system. So dear students, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. See you soon. Until then, goodbye, thank you, and all the best.